many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be: that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspire to make you mine. And till the day I die, I bless the day I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
Alam mo ba, ikaw lamang ang siyang nakapagpaligay sa buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita, di na magbabago pa pangako. Alam mo ba, ikaw lamang ang siyang nakapagpaligay sa buhay ko. wala ng iba pa.
Nawala ka pa baka hindi ko nakayanin.
Di ko kakayanin kung mawawala ka pa.
Ingatan kita hanggat nagay na sa'kin.
Hanggat ako'y humihinga, iingatan ka. Magsasama tayong dalawa hanggat may bukas pa. Hanggang may bukas pa na taon. Iingat ako lubos ang ating relasyon. Sabay natin kalimutan ng mga nakaraan na kalungkutan ng kahapon. Nating ibaon, di ko hahayaan na muli masaktan pa. Ang babaeng mahalaga at napahalaga. Ikaw ang umalalay sa aking dalawang kamay at atong tumayo pag muli pag nagtapa. Salamat dahil sa akin mo ipinagkatiwala ang buong pagkatao mo. Nang dahil sa'yo'y nabigyan muli ng pag-asa. Dahil ako ang pinili mo. Kaya naman umasa ka mananatili ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo upang kailanman ang wakas. Kahit ano pa ang mangyari, hindi kita iiwan. Para sa aking kamahalan, ikaw ang the best. Kahit palagi ka tinatopak ng ines, pangako ko sa'yo na habang buhay ka mamahalin. Basta't ikaw ang kasama, handa akong magtiis. Dito ka lang sa'kin, tabi huwag kang aalis. Pakinggan mo ang tibok ng pusong mabilis. Ipinapahiwatig na ako lang at ikaw ang masasalo sa pagmamahal ang napakatamis. Higa!
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo na ipinadama. Tanging ikaw lang ang napasaya sa puso ko sinta. At nang dahil sa'yo din na lumuluha. Pakinggan mo ang siyang sandalan ko. Pakinggan mo ang himig ng damdamin ko. Ang isinisigaw ng puso ko'y ikaw. Tayo'y magtatagal, wag ka lang bibitaw.
Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know. All the love we made can never be erased. And I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know. The love we made can never be erased. And I promise you that you will never be replaced. I love you, yes I do. I'll be with you as long as you want me to, until the end of time. From the day I met you, I knew we'd be together, and now I know I wanna be with you forever. I wanna marry you, and I wanna have your kids. Thinking never compared to the feeling of your kisses. I can say I'm truly happy to this day. You made me thank God that I live my life every day. There's never been a doubt in my mind that I regret ever having you by my side. But if the day comes that I have to let you go, I think there's something I should probably let you know. Enjoyed every day that I spent with you, and I won't miss you 'cause I'm happy that I had you at all. Baby, I love you, and I'll never let you go. But if I have to, boy, I think that you should know. The love we made can never be erased. And I promise you that you will never be replaced. Baby, I love you and I'll never let you go. But if I have to,